Happening? Let's see if we're live. Oh, I am. Yo. Oh, that looks like shit. How delayed is this? That looks like shit. Let me fucking. Midge. Let's see if it's gone now. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Why is that still there? I can't move this out of the way. Ugh. Um, how do I get that out of the way? Let's try that again. Yo, bear if anyone's on, bear with me. I don't know if anyone's on though. I'm just messing with this software. This shouldn't be here anymore. Gee, this is super fucking delayed. Oh, there we go. Hey, what's up, Lefty? It's a little bit of a delay, but I see you. Yo, comment. I'm just trying to mess with this OBS. I'm using. I forgot who recommended OBS. I like it. It's cool, but I had like a little. Tried to put a little image in the corner here that would show my coupon codes. Because why not? And it just didn't look right. So let me try it again. I'll try to add image. Image. Add existing. Which one do I have? Oh, I don't have an existing. Create new. It definitely has a learning curve. OBS codes. All right, now I need to move that. Let me move this. Make it smaller. Move it over here. Let's see if that works. Okay. Is it working? Cut. All right, so let's see if it showed up in here. And now I'm going to go to the to my trading view screens. Oh, look, there it is. That looks like shit. Let me fix it again. Get it more in the screen. Cut. All right. Oh, so I guess when you hit cut, it gives you the latest version of what's on there. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it is a nice delay. Oh, there it is. Check that out. I'm so cool. So fancy. All right, anyway. All right. Who else is on here? Anybody? 5 watching now. Nice. One of them is me, for sure. Hey, if you're on and you're not me and you're not Lefty, because Lefty already said what's up, say what's up in the chat. Say hi so I know who's watching. If it's anybody that I know. I'm just trying out this new software. Just curious how it looks. Using OBS. Oh man, look at this. So check this out. I'm in the NQs. We got this pivot point right here. We rejected off the pivot point. We got over it with a wick, rejected. I guess this is the 21 MA. Yeah, on the 5. Came back under the pivot point. Let's see what it looks like on the Qs. Look what happened here. So, I mean, the market fucking dumped. That's besides the point. The market dumped like 300 points or something like that. Something stupid. And it tried coming back up here. This is the lower VWAP band on the Qs. On the ETF. It rejected hard, came back down to the pivot point, bounced a little bit, rejected off the 8, and then dumped underneath, and then came back over, and here we are. So obviously we're down to the last half hour. I have this funded account. This isn't a funded account. This is an eval. These are funded accounts. These are evals that I fucked up trying to get over. This one is, I should have another one. Actually, let me hit refresh. I should have another one because I wanted to get this one over and then see if I could get another one from scratch during the stream. And there it is. So yeah, so 284. This one is at 897. I literally need to get another $103. So I'm probably going to play 2. Hey, if you're on the chat and you're not subscribed to my channel, please leave a thumbs up, give a like, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Support the channel. I'm just texting my boy on Skype, sending him the live stream. Just looking here that would have been that would have been it. That's all I needed. Where are we though? Oh, here we go. We're gonna blow through this pivot point, or are we gonna fucking bounce real quick and stay over it? I don't need it to go I don't need to move much, but you know, it's moving around a lot because we're approaching the last half hour. So like the next candle could go down, could dump 10 points in like a split second. Oh man, look at that. See? Just moving around like crazy. I'm so close. I've been so close so many times and then made the wrong trade. Your butthole tightens up when you're this close to getting an eval over. Sometimes if you don't get it over, like when was the last trade I made? So this trade right here, if I would have held just a little bit longer, it would have went over, but I didn't. And it cost me. Now I'm sitting here. Now I got to wait again and see if I could. Yeah, see, we went underneath the pivot point. So I'm just waiting to see if, oh man, is it going to go up or is it going to go? Let's say it's a new candle. I bet it, I don't know what it's going to do. I can guarantee you one thing, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. And there it goes. It's going down. Now it's going up. Now it's going down. This freaking battery on my laptop is not charging, which is not good. Oh, that would have been it right there. Let me close out some more shit. How many Finder windows do I have? Let me close all of these Finder windows. Chrome just sucks up so much energy, and then I'm using this OBS software, which isn't a browser. It's not a browser-based software. It's whatchamacallit. It's basically a desktop software. So I'm in. This is the software right here, which I don't know if I want to run it because I don't know. It's using a lot of resources. Like my fucking battery's not even charging on my laptop. So although it's cool and it's free, I'm not so sure if it's the right option for me, but it does look cool. I do like the fact that I was able to, get this up here. Like everybody else. It's not as fancy as everybody else, but I don't care. But that's, if you want to support the channel and you're thinking about getting with Apex, that's my coupon code for now. I'm working on getting, this is my Take Profit Trader coupon code. I work with both of them. I don't work with them. I just give them money to trade on their platform. But 0DayJ is my coupon code for Take Profit Trader, and this is my coupon code for Apex. I'm working on getting 0DayJ for Apex, but they're taking forever to get back to me. Oh, look at that pivot point bounce. Beautiful. But I missed out on it because I'm sitting here bullshitting. Got to learn the balance between looking at the stream and looking at the looking at the charts, which is probably the more important thing. So there was wow, what a 58. That was a fucking 30-something point move right there. I missed all of it. See, here's the pivot point. Now we can't really get over the pivot point on the end. Oh, never mind. Now we're over it. Wow. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to wait for it to get to this this lower VWAP band on the Qs, and I'll take a shot there short. Though it looks like we're going to pump, but that's a good spot. I mean, right here is a good spot too. So I see 5 people are watching now. I think one of them is me watching on my other laptop to monitor the chat, because the only other way I can monitor the chat is through OBS, and that's kind of annoying. So I'd rather just do it on my other laptop. So I don't know. That would have been enough to get the other account funded, but I'm trying to push this one over. I don't know if this is the spot to do it. That would have been enough. What's next? So this is the 1 minute chart. This is the 105, which is the 5 minute 21 moving average. Oh wow, that would have been enough. And here we are rejecting off the 21 on the 5 on the Qs. On the NQs, yeah, 21 again. That's the 21. Go figure. So anyway, we're at the pivot point again. We played a bounce here. I just want to get this over. Shit's just moving around like crazy right now. Pivot point, where are we here? 21. Little gun shy. I don't want to completely fuck this, especially while I'm on the stream. But I got to do something here. I'm just waiting to see. Looks like it's gonna go. but maybe not until it hits this. I don't know. This is the 9. This is the 34. This is the 34 EMA. This is the 34 SMA. I got them both on there. Don't ask why. Just, okay, so here we go. Oh, I could have played that short. See, we rejected off the 21. Are we bouncing here? Are we bouncing here? Oh, we are. There it is. That would have been enough. Fuck. What a bounce. Are we going to hold the 21 again? Let's see. Let's see. Ugh. See that? The 21. Holding strong. I got to pee. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Sorry. I didn't have to pee before I came on. Now I have to pee all of a sudden. Probably because I'm drinking coffee. BRB. Yeah, I wonder if anybody heard me peeing. All right, I'm back. There's 7 watching now, so maybe one is me, one is my boy, and then everybody else watching is people, real people. So thanks for showing up. Thanks for stopping by. We're trading NQ like a Degen with Apex. Hey, pop in the chat and say hi if you can, if you see the chat, the live chat, and give a thumbs up and subscribe. If oh, look at that dump. Let me play this fucking bounce right here. Where is this? The 8. Ew. See that? We're rejecting off of this pivot point. Sure, we went up a little higher than it. Obviously, we wicked over it, but man, look at this. The pivot point is holding strong on the NQ, and then it's supporting. It's like we're consolidating right here for a big move to close out. A big move one way or the other. So I'm a little. Oh man, just so many opportunities I could have pushed this thing over. That's so annoying. So annoying. All right, let's see here. Wow, how many points is that? 71 to 88. That's enough to get a. We've now it's gonna fucking now it's gonna run because I'm in. Set a stop. Oh, I'm over.
Order filled.
See that? I'm over. So I got that eval over. Let me make sure there are no existing positions open. Just push that over. I just needed one little dump for it to go over. So you saw it here live, all 3 of you. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Let's get this one. Let's get this one rolling. Where are we on the chart? Right at the 21, right at the lower VWAP band on the Qs. Oh man, this thing wants to roll. All right, we're pretty sure we're clear of this pivot point on the NQ. Just so you know, the NQ and the Qs are pretty much the same thing. I like looking at the Qs because they're in regular trading hours, and the NQ. Oh, obviously during the overnight, I don't really look at well, you can. The Qs don't move, but you really only have the NQs to look at. All right, so here we are, rejecting. All right, so hey, if you're just tuning in or you're coming back, I just pushed number 284 over. It was close, so I did this today. Apex has 1 day to pass for the whole month. So if you want to be a complete degenerate, my link is in the description below, or you can just go to Apex and then put in my coupon code, which is at the top of the screen here, if you want to support the channel. This is PWPCGSEH. Hopefully they'll give me my custom coupon code that I requested a week ago, and I'm still waiting to fucking hear back from them. They're dragging their fucking feet. But anyway, wow, look at that. What are we rejecting off of here? Just holding strong on this 21. Couldn't quite get to the lower VWAP band. I don't want, this is like bogging down. Let me bookmark this tab. Coinalyze. All right, done. I don't know. One less tab to use up resources. And my battery's not even charging. Uh-oh. Spinning circle. Circle of death. All right, here we go. What are we doing here? Yo, what's up, Chris? What up? What's up, Chris? Thanks for stopping by. Anybody else is on, say what up, especially if we're already homies and you know me. Say what up. I just, if you're just tuning in, I just pushed this eval, this Apex eval over 3,000 right here. Was just playing. I mean, we had so many opportunities to move it up and down with this pivot point. I mean, the market dumped. For starters, let's just talk about how much the market fucking dumped today. Like, look at this. And it cost me a funded account, which was awesome. But look at the pivot point holding right here. So the market pops to open, comes down, gets under the pivot point, tries to come back over it, and then rejects hard off the pivot point. Gets to this pivot point, it bounces. So there was a big move here on the bounce, right? Then it just rejected hard and went through that pivot point, went through another pivot point, and then now this pivot point is acting as support, and so far it's holding steady in terms of support, but oh look, I just missed this lower VWAP band rejection. But yeah, that's why I like the pivot points. Do I even have my moving average? Yeah, that's the 8 right there. Sometimes I take the moving averages off. It depends on where we are on the chart. Like if we're by the orb, which we're nowhere near the orb right now. We're kind of nowhere near VWAP. VWAP is way up here. These are the Qs. On the NQ, VWAP is even higher up. Like VWAP is, the lower VWAP band is what? Almost 100 points away. And VWAP is shit. VWAP on the NQs is like 250 fucking points away. So it's a non-factor right now. All that's in play right now on the NQ is his pivot point and some moving averages based on what I like to look at. So there's more to work with on the Qs. So like right here, look at what just happened. This is the lower VWAP band. Here's VWAP. We just rejected off of it again. See, we rejected off of it here, dumped, came back up because we bounced off the pivot point. rejected off this 8 MA, but then, bounced off the pivot point, hit lower VWAP band, and just dumped. So how many points is that? So it's right here. 94. It's like a 25 point. Holy shit. Yeah, we're at the we're at the end of the day. Let me make sure I don't fuck this account up. So like I fucked this account. I was up like $315 or $311. Chris, mixed results. I just typed in. If you're still watching, I had this account up. So I got this account up. $544. This is my second funded account that I have that's live. This was my other one. This one was up $300 something today. 311, 315, whatever. And I was like, let me make one more trade just to push it over. I kind of liked where we were, and it just went downhill from there. And I kept losing and losing and losing. It was all during that dump. And, the typical 0-day J fucking, I wasn't even full tilt. It just happened. It was just over before I knew it. And I was actually on the road to recovery, working it out, and then I just fucked up. So there goes another one. And then I started, and this isn't even my Take Profit Trader account. This is just my Apex. And then I got this one, fucked this one up. Let me make sure there are no open trades on this fucking thing. Exit all positions and cancel. This one I fucked. That's another eval. This one. Imagine losing. Like, it went down so hard, I lost $3,500. Like, that doesn't. The trailing match drawdown is $2,500. That's how bad that one went. That was during a real fucking flush. 283. This one was up a decent amount. Probably $900, $800. I fucked it up. That's 283, 284. I just pushed over. Now I want to see if I can get 285 over. But we're in some volatile territory in terms of what time it is in the day, and we're in here we are. I mean, is this the bounce? Are we bouncing here for sure? I don't know. Maybe it just rejected off of this pivot point. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do now. Just based on what I'm seeing. So I just got to text my boy. Anyway, sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm waiting to see what happens here at 12:50. We're gonna have the crazy algo candle, and then it's gonna figure out what it wants to do. But right now, I mean, sure, it looks like we could pop, but it also looks like it could just reject and go down another fucking bunch of points. So I'm kind of just hanging tough, holding steady, waiting to see what we're gonna do. I'm kind of feeling like I want to do something, obviously, but I don't know. I mean, look at the way this is moving around. Let's see. 21. Is it going to keep going up? We got this VWAP band coming again. Is it going to hit it and fucking reject? That's the 8 on the Qs. Yeah, there we go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. I'm only in 2, so we'll see what happens. But I'm a little nervous right now because it's probably it could pop or it could dump. So I'm gonna put a stop. I'm gonna put it. Ooh, where are we at? Is this thing just gonna fucking look? It got through the lower VWAP band. It's looking like it wants to just keep going, which sucks because I'm down 280, 270, 300. What's going on with this? There's 20 seconds left before this crazy algo candle. I should have waited, but whatever. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna Here we go. Are we just going to keep, is this going to keep going up? Maybe. Maybe it dumps. Is it dumping or is it going to fucking go? Kinda. Oh, maybe that was it. Was that it? Is it going to go back up? Bounce right off of my where I got in. What an awful fucking fill. Stupid. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. I'll take if I could get out right there, I'll take it and then regroup. I don't think it's going to happen though. I think it's going to just run. Should I pivot and go the other way? I'm just going to take the L. I could have doubled up there and made money, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. Nah, I'm going to get taken out. There it is. Going to get taken out. Boom.
Stop field.
I knew it. All right, let's exit all of this. See, this is why the end of the day is just, well, see, get stopped out and then it goes back down. That shit happens to me all the fucking time. Look at that. Oh, I was right. But I got stopped out. What an idiot. Look at that. I'd be up. Let's see. It would have taken me out. Where was my order? Canceled. 17,885. It went to 83. I would have made money on that fucking trade. All right, let's fucking around. Let's go long this time. Let's see what happens. Am I going to get fucked again? Yep. I'm going to add here if it goes down this low at the 34s. Where is this now? Oh, why am I looking at Apple? I don't give a fuck about Apple. All right, so we're at the lower VWAP band. That's crazy that happened. All right, let's get some of it back here. I'll lock that in. It's probably going to hit it and then fucking pump because that's what always happens. I'll get stopped out and then it'll go up another 30 points. But I got some of that back, right? If I'm only down 227 bucks. You know, but shit happens. What am I doing here? I'm trying to get smaller. Why is it getting bigger? That's weird. It's like the opposite. All right, so yeah. Now once the 1255 candle hits, that's another one that you got to watch out for. Same kind of thing happens. So we're approaching that. Where are we on the chart? Hanging at, look at this lower VWAP band, just holding tough. But is that support now? Maybe not. What are we doing on the NQ? Oh my God. All I had to do was hold. All right, are we bouncing off of this 34 here? Oh, I didn't get filled. That sucks. Is it going to run 30 points? Now I'm filled. Fill me.
Order filled.
Let's see if it dumps from here. I'll put a stop right here just in case. Like, obviously, this is just a crazy time to be trading. I don't recommend trading a funded account here, but with an eval and how many evals I've gotten over or fucking passed or nuked, like, I don't even care. So at this point, it's for entertainment purposes because there's some people watching the stream, like 7 or 8 of you. And I appreciate that. Thanks for coming on. And I'm looking at my other laptop like I'm talking to you guys over there. I should be looking right here. All right, look. Oh, I think I'm back over 50. Oh, am I right back over? Let me just, oh, shit, that's great. Oh, no. Are we approaching 1255? Yeah, watch this. Something crazy is about to happen. 20 seconds left before it goes to 1255. Maybe I should lock in these gains just in case it decides to flash dump. All right, so I'll lock that in. No matter what happens, I'll get something. Maybe I should lock this much in. Let's lock that in. Fuck it.
Stop filled.
Oh no, I went. Oh no. Let me get out.
Order filled.
Because I got filled. I got filled after I got taken out. I got filled short because I had that other order in. That sucked. That cost me money. But I'm almost at break even, so whatever. Now let's see what happens. All right, we're right at the bounce right off the pivot point. Are we gonna go up now? Let's see.
Order
All right.
filled.
Let's see what happens here. Let me put a stop in place. I'm only playing 2. I should be playing more because why the fuck not? Oh yeah. Should be playing 5. And normally I would, but 3 to 5. I'll lock that in. All right, we're green. We're green. Is this going to keep running into the close? Maybe. Maybe not. Locked in gains here. I'm going to lock in gains a little higher just in case. This shit is running so fucking slow. My battery's about to fucking die. It's not even charging. So if we get disconnected, thanks for watching.
Stop filled.
All right. Why is this not charging? Fucking crazy. Yeah, smash the likes, like Trevor said. Thanks, Trevor. Thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button. Give a subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, click on my links. Put my coupon codes in. Woohoo! There they are right up here. Not very, You like that ghetto image I just made? I basically made a fucking text edit file and took a screenshot of it. Not basically, that's exactly what I did. But yeah, smash the like button, please. But I don't know. I think my battery's gonna die on my laptop that I'm running this stream on. This OBS software is just sucking the life out of this battery. But anyway, we got one over. Ooh, look at that dump. What are we dumping? What are we rejecting on? Right at this lower VWAP band. We're gonna bounce here. I'll play a bounce here. Let me close out more fucking tabs. Chrome is also a resource drainer. Let me buy some here. Oh.
Order filled.
I'm in. Is this gonna dump here? How many am I in? 2. Just 2. Baby orders here.
Order
I'm in
filled.
4 now. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna fucking flush on me? Or is it gonna hold on this 34? Which is also, well, the lower VWAP band. Just holding a pivot point here, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Let me just put a stop in here just in case. I don't want to get completely dumped on. Moving up a little. Maybe not. We'll see. If I get stopped out here, then whatever. I'll be at break even. Well, let's see what it's going to do in the last minute. Is it going to dump in the last minute or is it going to run in the last minute? Oh, shit. Keep going. Keep going. I'll lock that in.
Stop filled.
Knew that was going to happen because I locked it in. Oh, good thing I locked that in. Because oh my God. That lower VWAP is so, see that? Lower VWAP on the Qs. Oh, we're under the pivot point too on the NQ. Oh my God, good thing I got out when I did. Let's see what happens here. Is this gonna keep dumping? What a dump. What a dump. Where are we? Why am I even looking at this anymore? Well, I can still see it because I see the post. I don't have this during extended trading hours. I only have the queues set to regular trading hours. So now I guess we just rely on the NQ. Well, that's where the lower VWAP end is. It's wild. Anyone still on here? Let's see if anyone's still watching. Wow, we got 13 people on. One is me. One might be my boy Evan. But everybody else is some of you guys that have commented in the live chat. Thanks for stopping by, all of you. Whoever's here, thank you. Really, really appreciate you stopping by. I mean, there's so many other guys that are better at this than me that you could be watching. But I guess watching a shit show is more entertaining. But really all depends on what you like to watch. Sometimes I'm like a train wreck. I'm like a car wreck that everybody rubbernecking and they can't help but look with the way I trade. So I'm working to get out of that type of situation. But anyway, so far, let me see here. Let me see if, wow, what a dump. What a dump. So glad I didn't, whatchamacallit. I wish I went short. Look at that. From the top, we're down 40 points from the top. That's nuts. That would have been enough to get an account funded. Wild. Yeah. Thanks, Corey. Thanks, Corey. Hey, you know what, Corey? You're cool as well. Thanks for stopping by. You're cool for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber yet, definitely give a subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I post updates every day after I'm done trading. No matter if they're good or bad. Most of the time, they've been bad because I suck, because I'm an idiot. But I'm working my way out of being that much of an idiot. It's really just like dumb shit I do. But I'm not like some of these other guys that'll just only talk about the good shit that they do. I'll tell you everything that's going on with my fucking trading. I have no shame, you know. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. And whoever's still on, thanks for hanging out. I don't know if I should fucking trade now. I mean, you can see this little blue line. This is the Qs. Oh man, this might be a good place to play a bounce right here. It's literally at the pivot point on the Qs. Let me fuck around. Let's fuck around here. Right here.
Order rejected.
Oh, I think I rejected. I just got in 4. Let's see what happens if we pop here. I got a stop in place. Oh, we're up 100. We're up 140, 160. Okay. Look at that pivot point, still holding strong on the Qs, even though the market's close. Oh shit! Why didn't I take that? Uh-oh. Let me lock this shit in. Let me lock this in. Fuck it. Oh, too late. Too late. Is it gonna like go? We're gonna go up to the 9. I'll just take that.
Stop field. Stop field.
That's cool. What was that, 140? Yeah, it was 140. Now it's going to go. Now it's going to run like 20 points. Now it's going to run it's going to run up this far. Because it always does after I get taken out for a game. This OBS is I need to make sure my battery is completely charged before I use this OBS software. Oh, thanks, Corey. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers is, like as quickly as possible. Hopefully it picks up. It's tough. Like I just started this channel a few months ago, so the fact that I'm at 158 subscribers, it's pretty awesome. Um, you know, but I feel like at some point maybe it'll start snowballing. I just got to keep putting myself out there and seeing what happens. Let's see here. Look at that. There we go. Well, it's back where I got taken out, 65.75. So it's interesting. It did bounce off the pivot point. See that little line? This is the Q's pivot point, the pivot point on the Q's. And sure enough, we bounced off of it. Sometimes it'll dip under it. I just don't know if there's just not enough volume for it. I don't see a big move happening, but I've seen it before. But yeah, I mean the market's closed at this point. There's 54 minutes left before the NQ close, futures close. So who knows what's going to happen? Sometimes there'll be decent sized moves at this time, but I don't know. There's no like earnings or anything happening. It's a tax day. So I don't know. Can't believe like this, what a drain this is on the battery. See, I tested out the stream last week. I streamed with Restream, which isn't bad. There's like StreamYards. There's another one I think. Those are web-based platforms, which might be more beneficial for me because this thing is literally sucking my battery dry. I'm using OBS, which is really cool because I was able to set up. Once I did some playing around, I was able to get my screen to at least look decent. Like you could see the chart. You could see the chart. You could see like the earnings on Apex and stuff like that. Like as I'm in a position, you can see my little stupid coupon code image I put here, in case anyone wants to support the channel and, buy through my link or put my coupon code in. I make a few bucks with that. And then, all right, here we go. Oh, you can't, I gotta move. Should I move myself? Let's move. I don't like that my face is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move me over to this side. All right, let's see how this looks. I'd rather the left side be blocked. Well, maybe I go to the top left. That might be a better option because all I have there is like all this bullshit. All right, let's do the top left. Top left. All right, let's try this again. All right, so it looks like, it looks like if anything, we might go down another leg here. It might take the rest of the remaining 52 minutes for it to happen, but doesn't look good. So I got this one at 494 with almost my full trailing max drawdown. That's pretty cool. I'm happy about that. Oh, this is better. With me over here so you can see my stupid face. I think it's better there so you can still see all of this stuff going on. Yeah, that's cool. That works. So if you're just tuning in or you missed it, I pushed this eval over. So tomorrow this will be a funded account. I had this funded account, but after being up $311 or whatever it was, I fucked up. Big time. But that's usually what happens. I go up on a funded account and then I want to just get a little bit more money and I fucking end up nuking it. Like awful. How does one do that? But I do it. I've done it so many times. Like I'm on funded account number 53. That's 52. This is 53. This one I stopped trading. This one I was like, I shouldn't trade this anymore. I should get a couple of evals and try to push those over. And then what do? I make that one more fucking trade and it just went downhill from there. So, I mean, I'm not mad. I'm just annoyed. But at the same time, I'm used to it at this point. But I got this one up. Overall, $755. This is through 2 days. So I'm in line, basically. I mean, obviously, I have to make it to Apex's withdrawal period. And then I fucked around and found out with these evals. Then I got this eval over. And this eval is the one you've been watching me trade for the last 10, 15 minutes. and it's up $494. I could, you know, I'm okay with that. I mean, we're at the pivot point again. Is it worth taking a shot here? Just because, why the fuck not? I don't know. It's barely moving. It's like literally hasn't gone in any direction. Maybe it goes up a few points. I don't think it matters. If anything, maybe I'll trade there in the overnight this eval because I can't stay away. So I might as well fuck around with an eval. Hey, what's going on? I'd love to. Let me see how is the H silent? Is it Tapakaji? Tapakaji? I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. But yo, thanks for stopping by. My day was okay. Not great, but not bad either. So, trading went. What's up to Swerve? Thanks for stopping by. Trading went okay today. Ups and downs. Not the greatest day with Take Profit Trader. Thapa or Tapa? Oh, is that like your full name? I got you. TH like or is the H silent? So I know next time I see you, I could say your name correctly. Is it maybe it's Tapa? But anyway, yeah, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I had mixed results today. Nuked a funded account because I'm awesome. Got another funded account up. Got another eval over, which is this one right here. Just pushed this over during the live stream, which is pretty cool. Oh, okay. That's all right. Everybody butchers my last name too. And it's very straightforward, but they just can't. It's like almost like people can't believe my last name is what it is. But anyway. All right, cool. So Tapa. Awesome. Gotcha. Oh, look, it's going anyway. I should have went in long. It's I hate this. I hate it. But look, I mean, it bounced off the pivot point again. How many points is that? I mean, it's nothing. It's hardly anything. Like at this point, I'd be like getting nickel and diming. No, they pay. Apex is good like that. You just got to don't worry about if they're going to pay. Get your account funded first, Corey. You got a long ways to go before you got to go through the whole process. You got to get your account funded first. So I would focus on that. But does Apex pay? Yes, I know people who have gotten paid by Apex, and they've sent me money I trade. I'm a degenerate, as you can see. I'm on eval number 285, and I've nuked 52 fucking funded accounts. All right, and I'm on funded account number 53 and soon to be 54. And I've made some money as an affiliate, thanks, since I started this channel. Like nothing that's gonna it's peanuts, but they have sent me all the money I earned as an affiliate. So if they paid me money as an affiliate, I know for a fact they're paying people money, who are funded traders. But I also know some people who've gotten paid. There's some other YouTubers out there, and I believe them. So I have 6 PAs. Oh, geez. That's awesome. All Apex? How do you have 100 PAs? You have 5 different accounts? It's the only way I could see that happening. How do you get around that? Well, actually, don't say, because they might be watching. Yeah, hey, dope book futures. I went through the same thing with Apex and the verification. You'll as long as as long as you're legit and you're like a real person and all that, which I believe you are. Um, nice move to swerve. But anyway, yeah, dope. As long as as long as you give them everything they ask for, which will just be like your ID and all that, you just have to do it through the support. I went through the same thing. I have a video about it. Like I literally got locked out because I have an account with my partner that I set up for us to our business. So we like trade together, do that stuff together as, part of our business. because why not? Because we're both degenerates. But I wanted my own personal account, and I actually asked them in support. I was like, hey, I have an account with my business partner. It's this account, but I want to. Is it okay if I set up a personal account because I want my own account? And they said, yeah, sure. Just make sure one is for business and one is personal. I was like, no problem. So then months go by, and all of a sudden I got that, that random, oh no, oh, like you passed. Gotcha. You've passed that many, but you have six active PAs. I see you, Tapa. All right. So that makes me feel better. Oh man, you blew 4 accounts that were pending withdrawals. That's awful, man. I feel for you. I had an account. I had a 50K account, and dope. I'll get back to you. All right. So yeah. Awesome, man. I appreciate you, dope. Really. I'll get back to what I was talking about with Apex and getting locked out of your account. But Tapa, dude, I had an account at 5,900, a 50K, a funded 50K account. This was a couple of months ago. I was just crushing it. I had it at 5,900, but I don't think I needed to get higher because of the whole consistency rule situation. I was on day 7. I had it at 5,900 on day 7, and I fucking nuked it in that one day in like an hour. I would have gotten paid. I should have just stopped and just went to flipping micros or whatever. It was awful. And I haven't gotten close since. I've gotten like a couple like in the over 2,000. I might have had one real close or one over. But that's why I started using Take Profit Trader, because if I would have had that account at 5,900 with Take Profit Trader, I would have been, first of all, it would have never made it that high because I would have been pulling money out, because you could pull money out on day 1. And I came close with Take Profit Trader too. Just got to control my emotions and not do dumb shit. And now that I have some rules in place, it definitely helps. But hey, you've gotten money already, so you're way ahead of the game, way ahead of me. I want to be like you. I'm working my way towards getting some actual money from these fuckers. So good job. I guess, yeah, 6 PAs paid. That's good, man. 100 out of 420, what is that? 100 divided by 420 is like a 25% success rate. That's pretty good. I'm at 54 divided by 280. You're better. I think the average success rate is like 15%. I'm at like 19. I'm at 19%. Why is this turning on? It's so annoying. That thing just turns on for no reason. Uh-oh. Circle of death. Yeah, 1,000% Topo on the emotion. So yeah, dope, man. Yeah, you'll get it back. You'll get it back. That account. Just gotta. You'll still have access to your Trade Evade account. So keep trading. Why not? Yeah, that's what happened to me. Like when I got locked out because of the whole 2-account thing, I was still able to trade in my Trade Evade account because it's kind of separate. You know what I mean? I just couldn't access my my Apex Trader funding account. Couldn't access the account. Where you get more. When you get where you request your to be paid, or where you're adding more evals or whatever. Couldn't it just kept saying verification failed, blah blah blah. So I submitted a ticket. And then eventually I was able to sort it out, but it took at least a week. It took over a week, which kind of sucked. It was annoying, but it is what it is. Like I've been waiting for them to give me a custom coupon code for over a week now. I submitted the ticket last Monday and replied to the ticket on Wednesday and Friday saying, hey, hello, can you get back to me, please? And I'm still waiting for them to reply to that, because that doesn't necessarily. I'll tell you what happened with Top Step in a second. Wow, there's a lot of you guys watching right now. That's awesome. There's 18 watching right now. That's awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, but the ticket is not like an urgent thing. It's me saying, hey, I just got over I just passed the threshold, because I asked for a custom coupon code like when I first started doing the channel and stuff like that. I wanted it to be 0 Day J. I didn't know if I could just change it myself, but I couldn't. It's just this long, it's this thing. This is my coupon code for Apex. Like, how is anyone going to remember that? Like, but this is my coupon code for Take Profit Trader, 0 Day J. So that's what I want for this. And they said you have to get over a certain amount of commissions before you could get a custom coupon code. They just said at first, they're like, there are no custom coupon codes. You can't have a custom coupon code. I'm like, what about these other guys that have them? There's a bunch of guys, who they are. They're out there on YouTube. They all have custom coupon codes. So I was like, how do I get one like they do? Like they have one. They're like, oh, you have to get this many commissions. So I finally hit that number like a week ago. It took 4 months or more. It took like 4.5 months. And whatchamacallit, I submitted the ticket asking for the custom coupon code, showing them proof and all that stuff, and I'm still waiting to hear back from them. So they'll get around to getting back to me eventually. If it was something to do with like me getting locked out of the account, they'll get back a little sooner. They did get back to me quickly, but it took over a week for me to get the whole situation resolved regarding when I got locked out of my account. Like if there's an issue with like a funded account or an eval or something like that, they'll get back to you quicker. But it's just me asking for a custom coupon code. It's low on the totem pole of urgency for them, So that's that. So hey, Tapa, on this whole. Oh yeah, 2Swerve. I think I had said good job. But yeah, that's a nice move. What is that? I guess you're talking about you were trading the ES. What is that? That's 23 points, $25 it's a per contract. I don't know if you were trading full contracts or micros, but one contract is $100. One contract is $100 on the ES per point. So if you caught, damn, good job. Yeah, that's like that's $2,300, give or take, with fees and all that bullshit. That's a nice move. $2,300 per contract. If you had one full contract to Swerve. Good job, man. That's a killer trade. So yeah, Tapa, back to Top Step. So here's what happened with Top Step. I was setting up an account for myself. I wanted to set up an account for myself because I've heard good things about Top Step. But I set the account up, but I set it up with my company's email address if I was to set up an account for me and my partner, for us, I would use that email address. I paid for the eval, right? And then I was like, shit, I used the wrong email address. And it shouldn't have even mattered. I shouldn't have even cared, but I did. So I was like, hey, can I get a refund or whatever? I want to get a separate account. I didn't mean to use this email address, blah, blah, blah. And then it turns out, you could only have one phone number per, you have to verify your phone number when you set up the account. And I use my cell number or whatever. And what did they do? Whatchamacallit? I couldn't I went to set up another account with my other email address, but I couldn't use my phone number again because it was already tied to the other account. And I explained to them what happened, and like they basically blew me off and, said fuck off, like whatever. Well, they just ignored me. I don't even think they even attempted to help me. I tried on the chat, and it kind of turned me off. This was a couple of months ago. It kind of turned me off to Top Step, but I might just give them another try. I'll just set up an account with my wife's email address or my email address and my wife's phone number, whatever. Because I like their rules. Oh yeah, two Swerve. I'm reading your comment there. And yeah, dope book futures. Yeah, anytime, man. Yeah, they'll get back to you. It's just, especially with everybody on with this one day to pass and the 80% coupon code for the whole month. Like they're probably getting swarmed with requests and tickets and help. And there's they got their hands full, man. Because you think we're the only ones pushing accounts over? Like I just push an account over. Like I could only imagine how many people are using Apex and pushing accounts over. I know my boy pushed over 2 accounts today, 2 evals over. You know what I mean? So they probably don't have enough people working there to go through all the tickets fast enough. So yeah, so you're doing it with Take Profit. Yeah, Take Profit Trader has some. They have a lot of there's a lot of vagueness with them. I'm learning and their rules. Like the 50% rule is okay. It's funny they have a 50% consistency rule for the evals, but not for the pro account. You could go up 5,000. You could go up 5,000 and yeah, they're making a ton of money. Those dudes. Apex is making an insane amount of money. Just think about just do the math on how many. Just do the math on the amount of evals I have and funded accounts I've been through, and then do the math on yours. And you've gone through twice as many as me, and that's just me and you, right? Think about everybody else that's doing this shit. Tapa, you know what I mean? So, oh yeah, so back to Take Profits to Swerve. You like the 75K? That's interesting. What do you have to go up on? You have to go up 6%. You got to go 4,500 on that or 5,000? Because I'm doing it with a 50K. Did you do that today with a 75K? I guess so. Yeah, you can't go up more than 50% on an eval on a test account with Take Profit Trader, but you could go up 10 grand. You could go up as much as 10 grand on a fucking funded account and get paid the same day. Go figure. Funny how that works. So so back to the whole Top Step. Was that you who said something about Top Step? I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna give Top Step a try. $50 for an eval, it's nothing. It's cheaper than Take Profit Trader. I think it's 150 to go to get once you go funded to upgrade to a funded. I was just kind of turned off. I had a bad taste in my mouth with their unwillingness to help me sort out a minor problem, but it was not even that big of a deal. It's like, all right, whatever. Yeah, 4,500. Yep. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, look at this. Like this, we've been going sideways for the last. This is like how I've gone full degen mode like during after hours, hoping like there'd be some sort of move, and I would just get nickel and dime yo-yoed around and like lose money on this nothingness. There will be a move like towards the end of the day, though. Mark my words, there'll be a move one way or the other, up or down. Won't be a huge move, but it'll happen. But whatever, it is what it is. Why is this coming on? This comes on like just randomly all the time. I wish I could delete it from this Mac. I don't care. Let's see if I can. Actually, I can't. I can't delete it. Let me move it off of my dock. I think it's like something if I touch because I'm using just like Apple earbuds. Remove from dock. I don't think that's gonna matter. Like if my earbuds, something on my earbud gets touched a certain way, and if it like turns the shit on, which is annoying. Oh yeah, you talking about Take Profit Trader, Tapa? Yeah, dude. They they don't tell. They keep a lot of things. Um, yeah, there's a lot of stuff that is a little sketchy with Take Profit Trader. I mean, they're legit or whatever, but at the same time, they're very vague in some of their rules. Like nobody knows how. Well, I just made a video about it, but no one like they don't. There's nowhere on their website that tells you how much a pro reset is, and a pro reset. Yeah, your daily loss limit is their daily loss limit is crazy. I've nuked so many evals and my fucking the two funded accounts I had with their $1,100 daily loss limit. Um, hey, Pame, or Palm. Sorry, man. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, you could scalp on all of this stuff, man. We could, we could scalp on all of it. But yeah, Take Profit Trader, there is nowhere in their knowledge base that tells you how much a pro/funded account reset is. The only way you find out is like when you nuke it and then they reach out to you like with an automated email telling you if you want to, or support, you hit up support and then they tell you, you know, just like that 50, they're right now they have that 50 and 50. So like, look, whoops, new tab, Take Profit Trader. They have their 50 and 50 promo going on right now, which by the way, if you use 0 Day J, you'll get the same, you'll still get the same discount. But what they don't tell you, the 50 on 50 rule, whoa, let me close out of this. So right now their 50 and 50 promo is it's 50% off your test account, and then it's 50% off of a pro reset. But it doesn't tell you it doesn't say how many pro reset. Yeah, it depends on the size. So like a 50K pro reset Pommy is $650, but it doesn't say that anywhere. And then what they don't tell you, because you look on their site, it said you could reset your pro account 3 times, right? They say right on their website you could reset a pro account 3 times, which is awesome because nobody really offers that option, not that I know of. I'm sure there's somebody else out there that does it. They don't tell you how much it is. So then you're looking at the 50 and 50, their promo right now, where you get 50% off the test account and then 50% off a pro reset, assuming you go pro. So I was thinking when I had my pro account, I thought because I can reset my pro account 3 times, I thought that I would be able to get the 50% off 3 times. But it turned out it wasn't the case. And then it doesn't say that anywhere. Maybe it said it in the email when they sent it. I don't know. It's so they don't. You gotta like pry the information out of them, and it's not till after you mess it up. Yeah, exactly. Yup. Yeah, I learned that the hard way. What's crazy is I reset the account and went up $1,840. Got stopped out at 1840, and then it kept going. All I had to do was not move my stop up to lock in gains, and I would have went up I would have been up like $4,000 on that reset instantly, and would have been able to pull money, and I fucked it up. So now I'm still in test mode trying to get back to having a pro account. So I'm at the point with Take Profit Trader. I like them. I think they're good, but I just want to get money from them. I just, obviously we all want to get money, but I want to, I want to pull some money from there. I want to pull some money from somebody. Apex, Take Profit Trader, whoever, you know. Let's see what's going on here. How many people are on? Wow. All right, there's still 13 people on. Thanks for hanging out. I'm definitely going to be streaming live more often. It's going to be random. I don't know when I'm going to come on. I got a lot of stuff going on in the house. I have 3 dogs also. I got to make sure they eat. Got kids, all that stuff. But hey, that's awesome, Pommy. Good job on your Take Profit Trader. Just do it. Just keep doing it. Push it over. 1100 is a great start. Yo, yeah, I think so too. I mean, I keep hearing about, Top Step doesn't look. Top Step I think is on the easier side as well, but you can't have 20 accounts like you can with Apex. I think that's what sucks a lot of people in. And yeah, I do the same thing, dope, so many times. Over trading, trying to make that one. I just did it today. I was up $311 in my 52nd funded account. And I was like, well, let me make one more trade. Let me see if I could get it a little higher. And I fucking went, I don't even want to say I went full tilt because I didn't. But before I knew it, I got caught in that massive dump and I fucking nuked it. At least I showed some control on my other account. I have that one up. Number 53 is up $544 today and $755 overall. I'm not touching it. But yeah, I think that was you who said something about, getting a Trader account and copy trading from their demo to your prop accounts. what you can do is you could create groups. You could group accounts together, but I'm not ready to do that yet. Um, I'm not ready to do that yet. Yeah, and top of it, the daily loss limit is bullshit. You could go down $1,100 real quick. Even today, like my take profit trader account, um, I I went down like almost just like what was it, 10.95. I was $5 away from nuking the fucking fund, the not the funded account, the eval, the test account that I have. I was $5 away after nuking the other one that had only a $932 loss in it because I was being, I don't know, I just kept getting yo-yoed around during the overnight, which I'm usually do pretty good on the overnight. And it's mixed. It's like 50-50 if I do good or it fucks me or I fuck myself. But yeah, it's tight. It's a tight window. You could go down 1,100 quick. You know, before you know it, you blink your eyes and you're down 1,100. Couple of bad trades in a row, and then you gotta, at least you gotta show some control and try to walk away at that point, not try to revenge trade and get it back. So anytime I get close, 30, $40 away, $10, $20 away, I'm done until the next day. Um, but yeah, back to the whole. I do like the risk settings and all that stuff. I definitely like that. I wish it would. Oh, there's a risk setting in Tradeovate that locks you out. I need to fucking find this. If you go up a certain amount, it won't let you trade that account anymore. How do you do that? I gotta watch some videos. I'll find it. I'm in my Tradeovate right now. I guess you can say we're moving downwards. I mean, I think we're still going sideways. 64 to, yeah, I mean, it's like literally just staying in this range of like 4 to 6 points. Let's see. Oh, there's 12 guys on still. You guys are awesome for hanging out. I'm gonna have to go soon though, because I gotta make my update videos, and then I might start I mean, there's only so much time in a day, but what I might start doing is taking some of the content, anything that's good in these chat and during the live stream, and turning that into content too. But yeah, I'm just thinking out loud. Um, Sorry about that. Multitasking over here. So, oh look, here's a little dump that we're getting here. A little mini dump. What was the high since this sideways action? 65. Wow, that's 10 points. That's pretty good. Oh, because it couldn't hold the pivot point. You see that? You can barely see it on the cues. That little blue line is the post at the market close because I have this set to regular trading hours versus extended trading hours. I just like it that way. I could have more tabs. Oh, look at that. Rejected off the 9 or the 8. Wow. 54. Interesting. Missed out. I missed it. I lost out on what? I had 4 contracts. This is the math I do in my head to drive myself crazy. Yeah. Hey, just don't push too hard. Hey, to swerve. Don't push too hard. They do have like, I think, oh, I guess you're familiar with their daily limits. I've just seen like people talk about if you go up so much, they'll give you the opportunity to do Pro Plus, which is like a live trading account, but then they make you hold a certain amount of money. They basically hold money that you should be getting paid. They hold that hostage. So when that, I would try to not go up that high, go up, I don't know. You got to, Yeah, I don't know. It's another thing with them. Another thing with another vague rule that they have that I've been reading about. Something to do with going pro plus, and they take at least they hold $5,000, because it's a live account. But you could say no. I think they just pay you a higher, like instead of being 80-20, they pay you 90-10. So I guess but they hold that money hostage until you can't, until you cancel your account or nuke it, obviously. So I don't know. And good job, Corey. That's awesome. Waiting time is crazy on what? On take profit trader, Tapa? Is that what the waiting time is crazy on, or on what? Let's see. I'm trying to let's see. I'm reading through. Reset is 1,500 for a 150K pro account. Jesus. So at the 50 and 50, it's 750. That's a lot. That's crazy. What are we doing here? Oh, we bounced back and rejected off the 9 EMA. 58. I mean, I don't know what's going on here. I told you that sometimes there'll be moves. I mean, this is a small move, but this is a huge move for there being no volume. You know, um, interesting to say the least. But we rejected off of the pivot point. We were over it, bounced off of it, and then came under it, and now we're kind of working down. I mean, we're in no man's land here on the NQ. No moving. I mean, you got the 8 MA here. No pivot point. Pivot point's way up here. VWAP is all the way up here. The orb is even further up. Um, but yeah, Tapa, waiting time is crazy for what? Getting paid by them? I'm just curious. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, Apex. So after oh God, the time you pass your eval, yeah, because you have to trade 10 days in a row. That's the biggest thing. Like with Take Profit Trader, like there were plenty of times that I've been over $2,000 on a 50K, which is what you need to get over, that I would have gotten paid several times if I was using Take Profit Trader, multiple times. And I couldn't just stay, hang in there long enough with Apex. Like you got to trade 10 days in a row between withdrawal periods. And then you got to request to get paid and not fuck it up. After you request to be trade, not trade anymore. You got to wait. But if anything, maybe you just flip a micro just to get the trading day in, so you don't lose a consecutive day. But yeah, with the copier, yeah, someone else was talking about that. Like if they do copy trade, they'll only copy trade like 2 or 3 at a time. If they have, depends on how many they have. If they have like 20 funded accounts, they'll group like 2 or 3 together or 4 together instead of all of them. Because if you're wrong on one, you're going to be wrong on all of them. Obviously if you're right on one, you'll be right on all of them. But you know, hey John, thanks for subscribing. I guess you're hanging out on the stream. Appreciate you. Thanks for the sub. Oh, oh, I feel for you, man. Tapa, that's rough. What'd you have him at? Were you like just over at like 20? Was it 2,600? I think you have to get to 26 or 2,700. Were you like just over, or you were at like 3,000 and just wanted to keep pushing, just to give yourself some more breathing room after you withdrew the money? Because yeah, once you pull, let's say you're right at 2,600, if you pull 2,000, then you only have 500 left in your trailing drawdown. So it's like a struggle. It's like mental. You're playing mental gymnastics with yourself, figuring out what you want to do. Over three. Oh my God, bro. I'm sorry, man. But hey, at least you learned. It's a learning experience, right? Got to learn somehow. I'm sure you won't make that mistake again. Where are we here? Oh, wow. This dumped a lot. This went down to 44. Look at that. We were hanging tough. It went down 20 points. Oh, I missed all of that. So mad. Oh, my God. Look at that. I almost want to be a Degen and fucking get in here. If it gets to this, let's see. If it gets here, I'm gonna go short again. Oh, I should have stayed. I should have kept it. Feel me? Let's see what happens. Oh wait. Oh yeah. All right. Oh shit. No, not this account. Well, that was almost my funded account. Woo! That was a close call. Let me go down to here. See, I've done that before. Sell two. Let's see what happens. Is it going to push all the way over? No, it's going to keep going back down. 44. It went from 44 to 52, and now it's, oh, I missed it because that's so annoying. I wouldn't mind getting a little more. Why not? Yeah, Tapa, I'm reading your comment. Yeah, at that point, if you are well within the consistency rules, you just trade the micros until they approve it. Because dude, I would have done the same thing though. I would have totally done the same thing. Thinking like, it'll be fine. I'll just push it over. Nothing's gonna happen. I'm not gonna fuck it up. Blah blah blah. And then sure enough, one bad trade, and then you revenge trading or whatever happens, you get caught in a dump or it goes the opposite way, and you think you were right, and then you're chasing. I've been there so many times. Not in terms of waiting on approvals, but just that's rough. At that point, man, you got to just. That's when you get some more evals, and you just try to push some evals over. You know, or work another platform like Top Step or Take Profit Trader or whatever. Has anyone in here messed with my funded futures? I heard they're decent. Little on the pricey side, but I was just curious. Man, I feel for you. I'm reading that. I'm just thinking about how that plays out. Blue 10, yeah, it's, over 3K. Yeah, that's rough. Yeah, because you're like feeling like the man because you got over. You're like, well, I got to 3,000. I could easily go up some more, give myself some more room, make my trailing max drawdown bigger.
Order filled.
Oh shit, I got filled. Let's see what happens here. Is it gonna keep going? Oh, I'm up $60. Oh man, look at that rejection. I'll lock this in. Let's see. Where would I want to lock it in? Fuck it, right there. Maybe I'll end up with $40. What a degenerate. It's 140. There's 13 minutes left in the fucking session, and I'm in here trading trading NQ. Do I wanna, oh, 100. Put another one in there. Let me make sure I cross out the wrong one.
Stop fill.
Okay. Woohoo! $90. What a fucking degen. KDL. I'm guessing that's your coupon code. What kind of discount did you get? Thanks for stopping by, KDL, by the way. Hey, Jacob Coop, if you're still on the stream, I don't know if you're on the stream, but I saw you subscribe. Thank you. I don't know if it's because you're watching the stream or you watched one of my other videos, but if you're in here, I appreciate you, man. Um, and hey, KDL, if this is your coupon code, I'm cool with that, bro. I have my own coupon codes. Um, so if anyone wants to support KDL, use this coupon code right here. If you want to check out my funded futures. What is the discount though? Let me know. I know I'm on a delay, but let me know. I have one bull knocks. Eighth day and over. What's their? I heard about bull knocks. They're legit. I know people that actually get paid. Rake trades. Okay, Rake trades is on YouTube. I'm guessing. Come on. I like his name. Come on, nobody's as good at this as me. I'm the best trader on YouTube. You see what I just did? I just made 90 bucks. Aren't I so awesome? Obviously, I'm being sarcastic. But what is it? What's the deal though? What kind of discount does it get you on an eval? That's where Apex wins over all these people. They're doing 80% off, 90% off. What's crazy is 71% off is like their default coupon savings. Like, how do you go back to 71% off if you're literally doing 80% for the entire month? You know, and then you nuke a. They should give you 90% off. You know when you nuke, like Tapa, you know, because you've been there. So when you nuke your Apex, your funded Apex account, and then they send you the email saying, "Hey, loser, you just great job nuking your funded account again. Here's an 80% coupon code that you could use one time." At this point, their 80% is like their default discount code. They should give you 90% off to after nuking it, but I don't know if they will. Maybe some. Oh, my wife's here. Hey, my wife's in here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Well, maybe a little after. My wife's waiting on me for us to go shopping. $50 for resets. Wow. All right. So, hopefully I cash out. No, it's not mine. From amazing. All right. $50 for resets and everything. Yeah, they should be giving you 90%. Hold on a sec. I might have to end this soon. Hold on one sec, though. All right, I'm back. I heard my garage door open. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, my wife was supposed to go shopping with my wife, grocery shopping. But look, wow, look at his little bounce. 44 to 62, 18 points. Where are we at? We back at the pivot point. Is it going to reject off the pivot point here? What are we doing here? We rejecting off the pivot point again? Watch this. Let's see. One more trade. One more trade.
Stop fill.
Oh, I'm in. I'll put my take profit right here. Like a straight G-Gen. Buy two. I might lose on this. I don't know. But we're at the pivot point on the Qs. Let's see if it holds or not. It might. This is about as much time as I have to trade anyway because fucking, yeah, I don't think that's not going to work. I guess we're getting a little continuation here. We'll see. Let me just put a stop in just in case. If I give back a little, I don't care. Whatever. This is just for entertainment purposes at this point. Well, really, it's because I'm a degenerate. I can't help myself. I saw we were at the pivot point. I was like, hey, let's see if we'll get a rejection at the fucking pivot point. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. So if anything, I'm going to give back this 90 bucks, maybe more, maybe a little more. If I get stopped out here, it's probably going to get stopped out. I don't know. Let me move this. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. I'll get stopped out and then it's going to hit my take profit. I can see that happening because how many times does that happen? Or it's going to happen after Apex sells me out because Apex will liquidate you. I don't know what time. It's always a different time, but they'll liquidate you towards the end of the day, whatever you're in. Let's see. We gonna dump here? Let's see. Dump. We're gonna go down 3 points for me. Nope. I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh well. It was worth a shot. I'm still in a good. I'm still in line like I'm still in great shape for the next trading session.
Stop fill.
Oh, boo. Boo. Do I want to try again? Fuck it. No, it's going to keep going up. Well, that was a nice bounce, though. Look at that. 44 to 6. That's 21 points. That's not bad for after hours. Does it reject off of this? Now I want to try and get that back. This is what gets people into trouble, myself included. Now I want to try and get it back. Let's see. Let's see if I get lucky.
Order filled.
Or is it just going to push through? Nope. Well, oh well. Oh! Wasn't expecting that. Oh well. Woo! Fun times. Is this going to just keep pushing up? I should have just went long. That would have been smart. Yeah, I'm gonna get liquidated, which just means they close me out of my position. Well, that sucks. See, this is what happens. This is a perfect example of making that going one trade. Yeah, dude, Jacob, same here. Same here, bro. It cost me a fucking funded account today. Another one. This one I don't care about. It's just whatever. Like I got plenty of fucking room. I got $2,000 on the. I was just taking a shot there. Maybe we get a rejection off the Q, the pivot point on the Qs because it hit it again. But no, this thing is just popped like running. Like damn, this thing went from 30 points. 30 points. This is just going to keep going? Guess so. Well, here's VWAP. I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't care. Oh, here's a 34. What am I down? Fucking $300? Jesus. Well, I'm still up. I'm still up. Wow. Way to give back all the gains, right? Oh, what happened? Yeah, it's starting to look like that. Oh my God. I didn't see that coming. Let's fucking do this. Let's see if I get rewarded. I'm probably going to get penal. Now they're going to take me out 157. Oh well. This is just me being a straight degenerate, but I don't care. Let's see what happens here. Is it just going to keep going or is it going to reject off of that 200 on the one? Give me some of it back. What do I have left? I have $1,700 left. It's not going to go down in time. Anyway, let me just in case. I don't want to get hit with some crazy fucking pop.
Stop
yeah.
filled.
That was awesome. You see that? How to go from yeah, I'll check them out, KDL. Thanks, man. Yeah, I got to run. But yeah, dude, Jacob, 100% that applies to me too. Look what just happened. I had to make one more try. I should have just went long. I thought we were going to hold on that pivot point, and I was wrong. But whatever. It's just an eval. What's another eval? Who gives a fuck? But I did cost myself like $900 in trailing max drawdown. I'll get this one back up. I'm not worried. But yeah, I was up $500, and I just gave back 800 or 900. What was that? 580, 600? I don't fucking remember. I don't even care. Oh, look, there it goes. Love to see it. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. Who's still on here? 14 people still on. I appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed, give a subscribe, give it a thumbs up, yada yada yada. I gotta run. I gotta make these update videos real quick, and then I gotta take a ride with the wife, go shopping. But yeah, I'll be on again probably tomorrow for a little while. I'm then gonna make my update videos. I'll post those later. Oh, oh man, that would have worked out for me. That sucks. Anyway, see that? I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Thanks again for hanging out. Peace.